Odisha, being a part of Eastern Ghat, represents 5 of the 16 major forest types of India, where 62 ethnic community resides. The greatest asset of these communities has been their traditional knowledge. Traditional health knowledge system has been and it is still providing the health security to the resource-rich poor community. The ethnic community possesses vast knowledge on sustainable uses of ambient biodiversity to keep the community healthy. One of the most important tags attached with the folk health tradition is that it is associated with ancient culture, and with the passage of time it is getting mislaid. It faces serious threats for extinction as it is evolved through direct natural observation and transmitted orally. Moreover, the present medical services fails to fulfill the need of the community. Taking this into account, Samban in the year 1992 launched a program called Arogyam, which caters to the various socio-economic needs of the community related to local health tradition. Under this, Home Herbal Garden program has been launched, which is a complete alternative health security initiative. During the implementation of this program, first of all, a consent meeting is conducted, followed by the health PRA. After the prioritization of the diseases, local health practices associated with it are documented, which leads to the selection of the available plants. Parallelly, nursery is also developed. Afterwards, village resource person training is given on the establishment and management of home herbal garden combined with the uses of medicinal plants. One village resource person takes the responsibility to train 20 households. Thereafter, the home herbal package is distributed. Home Herbal Garden program has expanded its outreach to 22,000 households in 14 districts of Odisha. This has also led to the creation of 621 village resource persons along with the ex situ conservation of 2,64,000 medicinal plants. Most importantly, the acceptance level has increased along with the reduction of health expenditure on primary health and transportation for the same over the years.
ठंडा काश बासम पत्र सिझेकरी छुआ को दऊ मऊ देहरे 3 पानी खाइलाठू ठंडा काश कमी जाए।
ये गच्छ लगेया पूर्वरु आपण कोठु औषध आ केमती औषध आणुतिले कोन देह खराब ले कोन करथिले?
मेडिकल जाउतलु आज जदी देह खराब होउची आता कत्ती पाखरे डाक्तरखाना न दूर बाटरे तपर आज रात्रि हैला जाई परबुन ता दिन सकाळू जिबु।
The impact of the program has been worth assessing and sharing. At present, the call of the hour is to replicate and scale it up to fulfill the needs of the community.